This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable hardware acceleration on the Samsung Internet browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Samsung Internet browser opened up now. To enable or disable hardware acceleration, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Performance and System. Click on Performance and System. And then on the center pane, under System, the second thing down, use hardware acceleration when available. By default, yours is probably toggled on as you see mine is, but to disable it, you would just toggle this off. Then you would have to click Relaunch to apply. But to enable it, you just toggle it on. That is how to enable or disable hardware acceleration on the Samsung Internet browser. Thanks for watching.